Great news for small and medium businesses across Australia. The $20,000 instant asset write-off has just been extended. This fantastic incentive allows eligible businesses to immediately deduct the full cost of assets purchased for their operations. The new threshold is $20,000 per asset, excluding GST for registered businesses. This applies to multiple assets. And here's the best part, this extension is now valid until June 30th, 2026, giving you more time to plan. To be eligible, your small business needs an aggregated annual turnover of less than $10 million. You must also use simplified depreciation rules and have the asset ready for use by the deadline. This initiative is designed to significantly boost cash flow for small and medium businesses. By reducing your taxable income, you can lower your tax liability and keep more money in your pocket. This encourages vital investment in new equipment, technology, and vehicles, driving growth and efficiency. Imagine upgrading your office tech, purchasing a new vehicle for deliveries, or investing in essential tools. These are all examples of eligible purchases that can benefit from the instant asset write-off. However, specific eligibility criteria apply, so professional advice is crucial to maximize your benefits. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Consult your accountant or financial advisor for personalized guidance. Like this video, share it with other business owners, and get in touch with online tax agents.